This is the stock market today. This is the heat map of the S&P index, and as we can see here, it is a bloodbath. Some people ask me, worried, why aren't there stocks going up? The answer is right here. Maybe you do invest in a good stock, but if the market in general is down like this, it is in a downtrend, there is a good chance that your stock will also underperform. And the same is applicable to Tesla over here. So let's look in detail at what's going on here. My name is Nathan. Welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. So as we can see here, Tesla is down nearly 2% right now. The moment I'm recording this video, we are still trapped inside a trap zone between the 21 EMA, the exponential moving average, which is acting as a resistance level right now, and the dual support area made by the 240 and this purple trend line over here, which is connecting the previous bottom levels on Tesla since April this year. So yes, we are between an important resistance and a very important support level over here. Only a true breakout is going to bring something new. But guys, Tesla will not go up unless if we see the broad market reacting as well. And if we take a look at SPY right now, the S&P ETF is in a crystal clear. It is still in a crystal clear downtrend. It is making lower highs, lower lows. Recently it made a top, and right now today we are trying to make a new lower low. So we are just reinforcing the bearish momentum over here, meaning that this support level at $421, which was a previous gap area over here, it is not working as a support level. The S&P is about to trigger another lower high, lower low. In this scenario, probably it is going to resume the bearish sentiment to lower levels, maybe to the 400s again. This is a real possibility. What's more, to make things worse, we are losing this ascending channel's support level. The S&P has been inside an ascending channel for roughly 1 year now, October 2022. For the first time in 1 year, we are losing this ascending channel's support level over here. So this is a very, very dangerous situation. What's more, what's even more problematic is that the S&P did trigger a bearish pivot point, lower high, lower low on the weekly chart. We lost the 21 EMA as well. So guys, bear trend. The broad market is in a bear trend right now at this moment, and this is going to affect Tesla stock as well, right? It is going to affect Tesla, it is going to affect Nvidia, NIO, Palantir, any other stock you may think about. It is going to affect these stocks. QQQ is a little bit more optimistic, if you ask my opinion, because we are still above a very important support level over here, $354. That's our most important support level over here. Only by losing this support level, we're gonna see QQQ truly bearish, because we already triggered a bearish pivot point on the daily chart. If we do lose this support level, we're gonna trigger another bearish pivot point, and at the same time we're gonna trigger a bearish pivot point on the weekly chart. And in this scenario, tech stocks will face a very, very problematic situation, right? The situation is going to be very ugly if the broad market truly reverses over here. Now, Tesla is still bullish. The bias is still bullish. However, it is not going to maintain this bullish bias for too long if the broad market turns bearish, because Tesla is a good stock, right? It is a very good company. It has good fundamentals. And you guys always say that, oh, but Nathan, we're going to report good numbers. We are going to report good delivery numbers. Earnings are going to be good. Yes, even considering this scenario, you got to understand that numbers, earnings, etc. will only cause short-term volatility. Earnings never change the trend. They are not enough to change the trend. They may trigger short-term volatility, but they don't change the trend. Oh, Nathan, but Tesla peaked after earnings over here on July this year, and then it simply dropped. It engaged a bearish momentum. Yes, but only because the broad market also peaked over here, right? Tesla dropped on July 20, and then it moved sideways for a few days, waiting for the broad market to actually peak on July 27 by the end of July over here before crashing in August. And this is what happened to Tesla over here as well, right? We stabilized over here just like the broad market, just like the S&P index, and then we crashed in August as well. And this earnings from July, this was a very good earnings report because, well, it was a very good positive surprise, as we can see here on TradingView data. So it doesn't matter, regardless if earnings are good or bad, if numbers are good or bad, you only see short-term volatility. This volatility is not enough to actually change the trend. We gotta see better bullish reversal structures going on over here. Good fundamentals are good because they work as a cushion for Tesla stock, right? When Tesla starts to drop, it isn't supposed to drop too much. Of course, it still does because it is a high beta stock. But this explains why Tesla flies so high when it starts going up. When the broad market is also in a good mood, then Tesla always outperform the broad market because it has very good fundamentals, and it dropped too much when the broad market was bearish. So okay, we dropped too much, now we are too cheap, but since the fundamentals over here are still good, we deserve to fly very high. And this is a true nature of a high beta stock like Tesla. This is why Tesla is so interesting, and this is also why I hate saying that Tesla is a short right now. For instance, I rarely see Tesla as a short because I know that when it turns bullish, it is a real bear killer over here. The last time I gave you guys a short signal was here, July 31, at this candlestick on our Telegram channel. Oh, and by the way, if you want to trade with us, join our Telegram channel. The QR code is right here on the left corner of your screen, all right? This was the last time I gave you guys a short sell signal on Tesla, but this is very rare because I know that Tesla is a real bear killer when it starts going up. And right now, okay, we are inside a trap zone. We are not gonna go up unless the broad market reverses. Do we see a bottom signal on the indices? Well, not right now. Right now, they are just crashing. We see bearish candlesticks today. They are both dropping very sharply. S&P is trying to trigger a bearish pivot point. So there is not a single bullish structure over here right now at this moment, suggesting that the broad market will reverse. And in this scenario, I find it very difficult for Tesla to escape our trap zone over here, to break the 21 EMA upward, for instance. This is going to be very difficult, and even if this happens, I would be extremely skeptical about this movement while we see the entire market crashing like this, right? So we gotta wait for bullish reactions on the indices. We gotta wait for Tesla to also trigger its bullish reaction as well, but right now we don't see nothing important. Of course, I'm gonna keep you guys updated every single day on this, so if you are still not my subscriber, consider subscribing, and would you please click the like button, because this way you are going to support this channel, you are going to support me. I really appreciate your audience, my dear friends. Thank you very much. See you guys tomorrow. Stay safe. Bye bye.